Previously on Kung Fu Maintenance. So here was the second sign that I had an installation problem. The first sign, the number 1 sign, was a big puddle in the hallway.
Leak out here.
So got that all worked out and was able to show you on the video bad stackable
Jesus,
washer
to get
dryer
in here.
install. But today I want to show you how to unbend, a couple of different ways, how to unbend a stackable washer dryer panel that's bent in.
This one's already bent. You can only push on these sides, otherwise it'll bend the darn thing in the center and you'll be in for the mess that I'm in for here. I gotta have a talk with the renovation installer about that. But yeah, there it is. And very, very good, very crazy. If not that, then maybe taking this, get it in between, if possible, and use a little leverage. Oh gosh, crazy. There we go. Sort of in between, and then just using, oh gosh, no leverage. Oh gosh, can't fit that under. I need something to pull. Yeah.
We were on a tight deadline with a lot to get through, only a little pressure.
Yeah, it'll fit under, huh?
Maybe, yeah.
Just like this
Yeah,
way.
and the wrong.
Oh gosh. Ruin your tool, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay. Back here. Need almost like a hammer or something. Okay, so getting under here, trying to get under here, this, and there we go. Yeah.
Very good.
Nice. There's always a way.
Yeah.
There's no perfect, but that's way better
not
than
bad.
crushed in.
I know.
All right.
Like-
Crazy.
kinda like this
Chinlocks to the rescue.
Yeah.
Okay, got a couple things going. This is sitting kind of funny, and then the door is kind of so get after it. This has a couple screws here.
Today on this video I'll be showing you rebending the door.
The door will be much easier to bend the correct way than taking it off.
Another time, Lord willing, I'll show you the bin, how to set that straight or how you can improve it, how you can sometimes fix it. Can't always be done, sometimes can. Well, there's a few different ways to do that, but that's a different subject.
Make sure everything's open here in the correct way. This is also a strip.
It's a noise dampening vibration strip, and I show that in other videos, how to reset that.
Here we go. There's two screws back here. Keep the lid on. There we go.
Watch out for the sharp edges inside there. That place where my wrist is, that bar is really sharp.
All right. That allows us to slip this forward and lift it up. Here. There we go. Lift that up.
Normally you disconnect the lid switch here, but this one the wires were extra long.
There.
So this one I can just pull the door off and sit it to the side without disconnecting the lid switch, but normally you'd be disconnecting that lid switch.
Pulls that on.
And just a word of of experience is don't forget to plug that lid switch
And
back
there's
in
two
when you
screws
put
on
the
the door.
lid back on.
One here and one here.
Okay, I don't want to make this video more complicated than it needs to be. I show how to take the machine apart in many other videos, so I'm just going to cut to or speed up actually bending the front plate back. If you want to see how to take it apart, check my other videos on washing machine leaking, any number of them, where I show how to take the whole assembly apart. So cut to the front door or front service panel.
Can't lift this off of its steel unless this is pulled forward. It's all sticky inside there. Oh, this is going to be a fun one. Oh, got it. Good. So now, bending this back is fairly easy. It's just gonna be stepping on it. Oh gosh. Okay.
Next time I need to be more careful. It got caught under the other door, and the whole thing has got to be think things through and first do no harm.
That was tough. Okay, so we're gonna step on this right in the center. Bring that back out where it's supposed to be.
Okay, one thing I want you to notice at this point is that I'm not putting my full weight on it. Just putting enough pressure on it to bend it back. I don't want to bend it totally the other way. Again, it's the whole first do no harm thing, or at least do the best you can to first do no harm.
And this definitely bend up, but now it's nice and straight. So that's what we want. Bend that back how that should be. And that's all back to normal. Now it should enter on and everything like normal. Okay. Okay. Got that sucker bent back. Gonna get it put on. Too bad.
And again, I show the taking apart and the assembling of these stackable washer dryers in so many other videos that I'll leave it to that, and I'll just cut to the finished product.
Got the door bent. Right.
And that's the two different ways that you could bend back a dented washer dryer. This one was on a stackable washing machine. This can apply to some other appliances as well. On the service panel door, I'm bending it back, getting things looking decent again. Taking the door off was able to get a more completely finished look, but messing with the other one a bit more can work as well. So just giving you a couple different options and to make things a little bit better. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.